The U-turn Sarkar is back. Close on the heels of the Women and Child Development Minister Smriti Irani, it is now the turn of the Central Health Ministry to sheepishly confess its lie on the floor of Parliament. Remember when the Minister of State for Health, Bharti Praveen Pawar, told Parliament on July 20th that during the second corona wave, there were no oxygen-related deaths specifically reported by states. After severe backlash, the government has now sent a communication to all the states and UTs asking for their respective death figures due to oxygen shortage. What's become crystal clear is that the government is making false claims in Parliament and only correcting itself if someone notices. First, the Modi government claimed there were no oxygen-related deaths. When questioned, it said it is the state's responsibility to provide this information.
ऑक्सीजन के शॉर्टेज को लेकर कोई मृत्यु हुआ हो स्पेसिफिकली बिकॉज ऑफ ऑक्सीजन शॉर्टेज, इस पर कोई आंकड़ा नहीं भेजा। किसी ने भी ये नहीं कहा कि उनके राज्य में ऑक्सीजन शॉर्टेज के कारण कोई मृत्यु हुई है।
However, once it became clear that the government never bothered to ask the states for this data, the BJP has finally decided to do its job. The government has been consistently shrinking its responsibilities by hiding behind the statute that health is a state subject and conveniently ignoring the all-important fact that it was the Modi government at the center which had centralized everything regarding corona management after implementing the National Disaster Management Act. The nation is back in a precarious position. We must now hope and pray that the Modi government will not fudge the data that states provide. Unfortunately, recent history has taught us it is highly likely that they will. When will the Modi government realize that accurate data is the only way to make policies that avoid the same mistakes in the future? A government that cared about its people would know this.